Hey everyone, it's Dr. Lundbohm. I just wanted to give you an update for the week. As you can see, I'm here on the home page. If you click on Unit 1, you'll see that Unit 1 is due on Monday, January 31st. So I just wanted to give you a couple hints on what you need to be doing for the assignments. So I think the forum's pretty straightforward. For the Porters by Forces assignment, what I want you to realize here is that I'm asking you to evaluate the competitiveness of the entire sport drink industry, not a specific brand or company. So Porter's Five Forces looks at the industry as a whole and how attractive that industry is versus looking at a specific company. All right, and then with that, take a look at all the forces. So competitive rivalry, bargaining power of buyers, bargaining power of suppliers. These are people supplying the components that go into making energy drinks like sugar and flavoring, etc. Threat of entrance, how easy it is to enter, and then threat of substitute products. Remember, substitute products are not just other sport drinks, but it would be like energy drinks, flavored waters, etc. Other beverages. When you do it, give like about a one paragraph analysis for each of the um, forces, and then state whether you think, and you don't have to say, this can just be your opinion based on your analysis, but state whether you think that force was a low threat or a low force, moderate, kind of in the middle, or whether it's a really high force. So, for example, if there's a lot of competition, then you would say this force is high, or there's a high competitive rivalry in this industry, for example, and then explain why. All right. And then also for unit number 1, we go to the assignments. If we look at the vision and mission statement, make sure that you identify the original vision statement and mission statement, and then change it in a way that you think it would be better. So you'll have a original vision statement, original mission statement, and then you'll have an updated vision statement, an updated mission statement, and then you'll have just kind of a paragraph explaining why you made the changes you made based on what you've learned in this unit. All right, so that's all I wanted to mention today. Please contact me with questions. All right, bye.